I don't know what's going on here.
Well,
but
they've got a don't cross.
Yeah, can you
Police
go
don't.
there? Can
No,
you
I'm not going to go up
No,
there.
can you look and I'll go. Just say something.
Well, we've been stopped and there's a long line of people. There's an ambulance there. There's a police don't cross line. And Beth, of course, is going up there to have a look. Don't know whether we're actually going to be able to get through here. That would be my best wish. It seems to be gathering a crowd. So I'm going to pull into the side. And I think very soon we'll be unable to do anything. I'm not very fond of being an onlooker at an accident. So there's a couple of police trucks and looks like an ambulance, or is it? It's a police vehicle, but it's not an ambulance. Or maybe it's something even more dramatic. That looks like, it looks like a kind of a prison truck. Doing 3-point turn to go back. Well, she'd not come back yet. Warrior Princess. Yeah, I think that truck that's going on its way, I think that is one of the prison trucks for transporting prisoners. Here she is with the news. I think we're going to be doing a 47-point turn to get back out. Oh, and suddenly she's turned and gone back again. What the heck? And she's come back again.
There's a shooting there.
Do you know, I thought it might be a shooting because that's a prison truck.
No,
I thought maybe there was an escape attempt, was it?
No, the motorcycle was being shot by the motorcycle also, and the guy there dead. People, it's just like it's easy for them to do that. And now, what do you call that? Because it's just the police, the BGMP. What do you call that? The police is just on the other side. Yeah, and that's why they already corresponding here. And what do you call that? This area here is quite, in this time of hour, it's quite big. What do you call that? Not very crowded.
Right.
That's why
That's why they chose here to do.
Yeah, they chose here.
What was this? Some kind of contract killing?
I'm not sure.
An execution?
Because it just happened few minutes. If we didn't buy what do you call that? A cement,
Honey,
possible.
stop saying, what do you call that? We
If
don't.
did, I'm just nervous of looking the body there
Well, why did you look at the body?
because I thought what's happening there. The body is still there. They're still investigating it. The body is still lying in the floor.
Can you take this camera now? Because I don't
Yeah.
really.
Yeah, we're hoping that people will stop doing it and just spread love and not hate. Yeah, so please like, comment, and subscribe. This is the incident. We're gonna turn around because this is off the area. Have a good day and God bless. Let's
Good.
pray for the family of these people here.
No.